Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video you'll learn to use pad, pocket and revolve. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint in the center of this line here. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create the base. The base is a rectangle with 100 millimeters by 120. So we need to extrude this 20 millimeters. So we use the pad to make this body. So go to FreeCAD, go to create a new sketch and select the top plane. Select a rectangle, center red rectangle, click here in the midpoint, make a rectangle here 100 millimeters by 120 millimeters. And leave the sketch, go to pad, the length here is 20 millimeters and press OK. Now we will make this semicircle here. So to create this, we will select this face and make this sketch. So the first thing that we'll make some reference. We'll take some reference here. So select this face and go to create a sketch. And here go to external projection and select this face. And here we will create a center line and we will make this sketch. We'll put the dimensions later. So select the polyline, find the center here, make a line here. And go to constraints, make sure that this line is a vertical line, horizontal vertical, and select this point here and this point here, and go to constraints, select equal, select this line and this one, select this line and this one, select this line and this one, and this line here has 40 millimeters and this one has 20 millimeters. So go to dimensions, this line here 40 millimeters, and this line here 20 millimeters, and this line here has 40 millimeters, and the distance between this line and the midpoint is 20 millimeters, and the angle between this line and this one is 45 degrees. So the distance here 40 millimeters, the angle here 45 degrees, the distance here must be 20 millimeters. And leave the sketch and go to revolve, and the angle here 180 degrees, and press OK. Now we will create this two hole here. This hole has 10 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of this hole and this edge is 10 millimeters, the diameter 10 millimeters, and here the same thing, 10 millimeters here, and the distance 10 millimeters. And this cut is through all this body. So select this face here, or you can select the bottom face and go to create a sketch and go to external projection, select this face, select a circle, make a circle here with 10 millimeters and create another one here with 10 millimeters of diameter. and go to dimension, the distance here 10 millimeters, and the distance here 10 millimeters. Make sure that the circle is in the center, horizontal with this line here, and leave the sketch, go to bucket, and the type here select it through all and press OK. So here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.